Right, we're now ready to put the rest of the parts on. And then we'll oil the movement and then set it up. We'll start off with the snail and the rack at 1 o'clock. These are the graduations on the snail. That dip right there is 12 o'clock. That's 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. as it goes all the way round. That little post there from the rack has to sit exactly on top of that 1 o'clock section of the snail. So we'll set that up and check it and see what we've got. Too far around, bring it back a tooth. There we go. That's 12 right down at the bottom. Bring it back one tooth. That was 2. That's 1 o'clock. We'll put that flirt down. Right, that's 1 o'clock. Now we've got 2 circlips to put on. First one goes there. I'll tighten that down with a pair of pliers, clip it into place. Now we'll put on the last one. Goes on the rack. Clip it in. Right. Now we'll get the movement oiled. We'll come back and we'll start to set it up. Right, we'll start off with oiling the pivots on the back plate. There, one there. One under the crutch there. Second one under the crutch. Now this side over here. One there. One there. One there. Put 2 on the hammer lever. A couple in the back of the winding arbor here. I think I put, no I didn't, one on the first wheel. And another one. Right. turn the movement over. I'll put one up here first. Now we can do the other side. Oh, we're running out of oil, we'll have to get some more. This is the oil we're using, Mobius D5 clock oil. On the circlip, couple on the minute arbor, couple on the winding arbor, on this flirt, on the escape wheel, warning wheel, fly, star wheel, first wheel, we'll put 2 on that. Wheel level is getting down a bit. We have got one in there. In there. A couple on the winding arbor. Now, our flirts have to be oiled on the inside. One there. Bit more. One there. I'll put 2 in there because it's getting down a little bit. Two in there also. It's been done there. And that side. Right. Let that sit there for a minute. Let the oil sink in. There's one there that I missed. The first wheel. The going side. Now we'll wind the mainsprings up a little bit, put some tension on. Then we'll set the movement up. Right, see what we got here. Yep, that's on there. That is a bit loose, I'll have to tighten that up. We'll let that wind through to 12 o'clock. Then we'll tighten the springs some more. Now, tighten the springs. Right, now we can have a look and see what we've got. Where's our... That's right, lifting on that. I think that, no, that looks all right. Just looking a little bit loose, that's all. All right, I'll check that and see what the problem is. Right, I've wound up the movement a bit more. We'll start turning the minute hand, getting down towards 1/2 past. Watch the flirt here, the rack. Get half an hour. Strikes one strike. We wind it up to the hour. Gone into warning, you see that? Just over the hour, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. That flirt here has stopped the rack turning, it's dropped down. This flirt here, that end has come up and arrested the pin on the warning wheel. This one here. That's why it stopped. Alright, we'll wind that on one more. Going around to the half an hour. Gone into warning. You can see the fly moving there. Just over half an hour. That lifts once. The gathering pallet lifts once. Into warning. You can see that the fly moving. Just over the hour. Rack drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That flirt drops down behind the rack, stops it moving any further. This flirt here, as we said before, arrests the pin on the warning wheel. That stops the movement. All we've got to do now is put the movement up on a test stand so that I can check and see how accurate it is while it's running. And there it is, all set up and ready to roll. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.